Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today we have a sweet and healthy topic to discuss. We're talking about how grilled corn salad can be a game changer for those managing diabetes. Wait, before starting the recipe pomegranate salad dressing, I introduce you with MetaFast, which will help you to manage blood sugar level naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Ingredients: 6 ears freshly shucked corn, 1 medium green bell pepper, diced, 2 medium Roma, plum, tomatoes, diced, 1 4-cup diced red onion, 1 2-bunch fresh cilantro, chopped or more to taste, 2 teaspoons olive oil or to taste, salt and ground black pepper to taste. Directions: preheat an outdoor grill for medium heat and lightly oil the grate. Roast corn on the preheated grill, turning occasionally until tender and specks of black appear. About 10 minutes. Remove from the grill and let sit until just cool enough to handle. 5 to 10 minutes. Holding a corn cob over a large bowl, use a knife to carefully slice warm kernels directly into the bowl. Discard cob. Repeat with remaining corn. Add bell pepper, tomatoes, onion, cilantro, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Toss until evenly mixed. Let sit until flavors have blended. At least 30 minutes. So, whether you have type 1 or type 2 diabetes, or you're simply looking for healthier fruits options, this salad are a game changer. Stick around as we dive deeper into each fruit's unique flavors and benefits. Wait. Want to control blood sugar level? Watch the secret video link in the video description. The link will delete it in few days and never up in this video. Thank you for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe.